Yeah. Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only for pressure in my corner. What time it hard for carry on? You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, this is O. Puppy 6 was killed in Miami. The shootout involved high-powered weapons in Miami Gardens. The police said the shooting was gang-related and targeted. According to the Miami Gardens Police Chief Delma K. Noel Pratt, the incident, which occurred on the 4200 block of 196th Street, involved at least 50 rounds fired and captured on a resident security camera. This video seemed like it was a Christmas tree or a fireworks. It was just pure light. The entire darkness turned into day. The footage showed unknown gunmen open fire on a silver Nissan, forcing it off the road and causing it to crash into a yard. Despite the extensive gunfire, no injuries were reported. So right now the police are increasing patrols in the area, although no arrests have been made and the Nissan victims have not cooperated with authorities. I mean, no gangster will actually cooperate with the police under these circumstances. Chief Noel Pratt assured the public there is no cause for fear as the shooting was targeted. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video if you haven't already. Now, the situation involving Puppy 6, a high-ranking member of the 6 gang in Trinidad, has many people talking because despite the initial report stating no fatalities, it is believed Puppy 6 fled after the shootout in Miami Gardens but later succumbed to his injuries. This is what I believe. The 6 members are outside too frequently. Bro, correct me if I'm wrong. The 6 are always outside, and being outside too much will lead to things like this. And check the ratio. Whenever any 6 member get touched, it's always outside. It never happen inside, like inside of them home or inside of nowhere or anything like that. It's always outside on the road or outside somewhere. You cannot be running an operation or say, yeah, run this or run that, and you're always trained. You need to stay low key and avoid these risks because things like this will just continue to happen. So right now Puppy 6 was becoming too hot in Trinidad, and that's why Puppy 6 was moved to Miami for safety, you could say, and cool off. You know, Puppy 6 maintained close ties with Byron Messiah after Byron Messiah distanced from Prince Swanee. At the time of the incident, Puppy 6 was in Miami with Squash and Byron Messiah. So the conflict between the 6 and the 7 is a possible motive behind the targeted attack. Remember, the 7 leader Prezzi allegedly has strong connections in Miami, which might have facilitated the operation to eliminate Puppy 6 allegedly. So as the story unfolds, I will give you more update and details about the situation. You see me? Alright, so check out this video of the news reporting what happened.
After a shootout and crash that shocked South Florida and left Miami Gardens residents in fear.
She was throwing up. That's how scared she was.
The chief of police would not take questions about their concerns.
We're not going to be open for questions.
Chief Delma Noel Pratt did, however, take to the podium Friday to provide a few new details about this crime, which unfolded just after midnight Wednesday on the 4200 block of Northwest 196th Street.
There is a gang nexus to the shooting.
A handful of shooters with long guns are seen waiting for a silver Nissan and firing recklessly. The chief says those inside the car also shot back.
The victims that were in that vehicle are not cooperating at this time.
The Nissan speeds and crashes, destroying a neighbor's fence. The 3 people inside the car escape. One of the passengers tried climbing into a neighbor's yard.
We do have a vehicle in our possession that we are awaiting a court order in order to get inside of that vehicle.
Bullets flew into people's cars and even their homes.
We have put out multiple additional units.
And regardless of everything, I just want to say, you know, RIP to Puppy 6 and condolences to his family and everything, you know what I mean? You know, it's really sad that we really lose the youths them just like this, because this is not just happening in Trinidad or happening in Miami. This is also happening in Jamaica, you know what I mean? And it's also happening across the world, like gang violence and, you know, people killing people for various different reasons. Sometimes it don't, sometimes it really just don't even make any sense, but I just one of them things they were a part of the world, you know what I mean? So RIP to Puppy 6, same way.